My name is Tan, I'm a musician and composer.
My name's Anna. I'm an artist, publisher, and founder of Montez Press Radio.
And this is our home in Red Hook, Brooklyn.
Welcome.
Found this building just by walking around the neighborhood, and I think the thing that appealed to me most about it was each room in the house has a terrace and a rooftop, which then has a view of Manhattan, Brooklyn, and New Jersey.
The building is just unique in the sense that it's stacked. It's like a stacked layer box, and my favorite is the terraces as well on each of the rooms, and the studio, of course.
The designer on the project, Georgi Skirtzy, suggested Aria as being a really good match for us and his willingness to collaborate rather than sort of take over the whole project, because we wanted to work with someone who was willing to really consider our ideas and the desires that we had, and he was more than willing to engage with us with creative solutions.
So initially when we decided to buy the house, the lofted studio was already existed. We just kind of had a contractor reinforce the space and added an extra wall to it. This is the stairway. The floors are bleached white oak, and it was made by OPA and Figure Ground. And this is the studio.
This is one of my favorite features in the house that people may not notice. It's kind of in a private corner, but these are the structural pieces that hold up the staircase. But when we were working on designing it with Georgi, it was very important that they took on a sculptural element and also became kind of fun. And I think that's something that we really wanted to bring into the design of the staircase, as it's such a big feature within the house. So rather than hiding it, we decided to turn it into something that we enjoy looking at and using on a daily basis. Originally, when we bought the house, this was the main entrance. Really wanted to have a wall that was movable, but also translucent. And so we got this. This is made of paper. It's also compactable so that it becomes a sculpture. And so this is my studio where I work on ceramics on the wheel and also hand-built ceramics. So it's very inspiring to have this space, and it allows a lot of light in. And we actually have this custom door design, which was about letting the light into the space, and also it's a non-functional door, making this a really private space that is used in the house rather than just an entryway.
So this is the primary bedroom, and initially this was closed off from the previous owners, but again we've added like partition here to have accessibility, and this is where we spend most of our time.
Figure Ground designed this closet to maximize the space. So on this side we have my closet, which holds all of my precious items in it, and lighting, so I'm able to see everything in here. And then on this side, there is a meditation area, which I can use for meditating or reading, as well as there's a pull-out mattress, which allows this to be an additional sleeping area. So we didn't want to lose the ability to make this a bedroom, but we also wanted to utilize the space and make it as functional as possible.
In terms of the interior design aspect, I mean, maybe people will notice the art, but the art work is all work that I've collected mostly from female contemporary artists. Sort of those details, I feel like, are things that people might not fully appreciate, but I definitely do.